How's it going, Mudcats? It's been a while since I've been on. Had a little bit of stuff going on lately. I am going to be having a girl coming soon, hopefully in January. But Aiden is currently in, I think it's Wisconsin, on a little trip with the family. Vince is at work. I just came home from Chicago. Unfortunately, didn't have any Chicago film due to the fact that I just didn't catch nothing and it was just a waste of time. But still had a good time. Got out. We're getting a bite as we speak, but it was a fun time, you know. Fun, something to do, get away from home. Brought a couple poles, but just didn't have no luck. It happens. Not mad, nothing like that, but made a choice. We got these. Oh, shoot. I think he might have just gotten away. Well, he for sure got away. Let me go ahead. These bullhead minnows. Not bullhead, but flathead minnows. Whoops. But that's what we have for bait. We got about 3 dozen of them. We got 4 poles out. And I brought my, what is it called? I drove all day today. I can't even keep remembering the thought. My fly rod, just to go ahead and get some practice in and out of it. So, thought it'd be something to do. Thought I'd stop down by the river, you know, have a little bit of fun, see what we can catch, you know. So far, a couple bites, couple big bites, nothing too serious. Just to be honest. Picked up some of the trash. There's a whole bunch of trash right there. They're put all over right here in the fire pit. But I picked up as little as I could. Got the fire started. Wasn't really trying to have to pick up a whole mess today. But it looks like I'm going to have to anyway. It's alright. Remember, you go fishing, pick up your fishing stuff, please. Come on now. You want to keep coming back? It's just how it is. Oh, got me a little chair going. Like I said, just pick up a little bit. It's not too hard, you know. Pick up trash, get your little bag from the car or whatever. That's what I'm probably gonna have to do after this. But like I said, pick up your stuff, man. Male, female, it don't matter. Pick up your stuff. It ain't cool. Catch you in about 5-10 minutes, get you a little update. I'm just gonna probably get this fire going a little bit more. So he's about to go out, so I'm gonna get that started. Catch you about 10 to 15. See you. Back with that update, we just got a bite. And I'm just waiting for him to go ahead and attack it and take it. So far they really haven't been attacking like that. They've just been biting at it. It's just weird. I mean, I don't got massive hooks or anything, which is one thing I had last time, which was a worry. But I shouldn't really have that concern right now, so I don't know why they're not just straight up taking it like I thought they would. Just makes it a little bit of a bummer. But nothing you can do. They don't really take a commit like I need them to. It's just not there. The bites are just the fish staying is the problem. Holding on, keeping on for that grab. It's goofy, man. Nothing. Just wanted to buy it, but they just Nibble, nibble, nibble. Like it's not big enough, which is weird. Did get the fire going a little bit. Struggling. Stuff was a little wet. The main source was right next to the water, so I mean I could go up there and stuff, but there's just all of it's still pretty good wood. I ain't really trying to sit here for hours on end, trying to get it to light. So I just found some old dead ones along the water line. I said water shore, but the water line. Then got it to go enough to get them good. So goodness. I might reel up Poland to be real and see where we're at on that one. Yeah. Nothing. This is my girlfriend's full. I just bought it for her today. She didn't want to come. Wasn't feeling very well. As I said, she is pregnant, so I didn't want to really bug her about coming or not. We took off that bait. Like I said, try. We'll just get more bait on to it real quick. Throwing a piece of corn on there as well, just to keep the sucker on there, because I've been having problems with it just getting itself off. So we just put that there. They're all sharp hooks, barbs are still on them, but it just keeps falling off sometimes. So why not fix the problem while you got it? Definitely hit the same spot, so doing as best as we can. She's supposed to come, she's supposed to be the camera lady, but like I said, she's pregnant, not feeling good. Oh! So I didn't really want to make her come. So. Shoot. Well, nothing really to tell you too much about, really. No trips coming. Oh, we do have one thing coming. I'm gonna have a few parts. It's really gonna help out a lot around here. Hopefully we can actually get on the water a lot more. So the help of Dustin, of course. Dustin, Aiden, me. Well, me as much as I can. I'm at work, so I work 10 hours a day, 7 days a week. But I try to take my days off to get some help in. And Dustin's working a lot as well. So he's working about 10, 12 hours as well. So try to get Aiden on some content out there. I know I got some pictures, so I'll put them up at the end of this video of him and his fish. He caught, I think it was a couple bass, maybe bluegill. Not too bad sizes as well. One probably like 8 inches, and then the other one probably like 10 inches or so. So it wasn't too bad. I'm gonna have to go and take those look at the pictures again, because I'm pretty sure it's like 2 bass, or the same picture. So oh, I just seen a fish pop out over there. Good thing I got a bait over there. So hopefully goes up and snags it. Hopefully the next time we see each other, it'll be with on the rod. Catching hopefully in a little bit. Hey, my cats, I did not condone driving and filming, but we just went out and picked some food up some hot dogs from my grandmother's house so we can go ahead and cook those on the fire. I left the poles in the water. Hopefully they're not gone or stolen. I had a lot of tackle on me, so hopefully that we're not out of luck here. Hoping and praying, hoping and praying. So, turn signal. Oh, watch my mouth, sorry. Forget my turn signal. Just gotta make sure our push poles are okay. Make sure everything's good. Not want any of our stuff gone or in the water. That suck butthole. Hurry up. Still got a couple waters as well. Alrighty, here we go. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully all our poles. Oh shit. Oh shit. We got one. We got one. I knew we were gonna get one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, we got one. We got one, guys. We got one. Oh my god. One second. One second. 1 second. Oh my goodness. Oh. 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 Give me 1 second, fish. Do it again. Can you see me? Okay. Okay. Here you go. Let me get this one out though. Oh. You guys still see me? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No way. Hey, no way. I was gone not even like 10 minutes, I think. There we go. Wow. That's wild. We are. Let's go ahead and let him go. I can't believe I caught one. That's one on the night, or evening, I guess. Let's go. Oh my goodness. A little one, a little channel, but that's not bad at all. Put my keys in my pocket. I put my keys in my pocket. There you go. See? Just like that. I'm going. Plain and simple, just like that, boys and girls. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe you guys witnessed that. Wow. That is just wild to me. I'm going to go back and see if I can see what the footage actually sees. But that was wild. I can't believe I came back here just in time. My pole was on the ground. Wow. That is absolutely amazing. Thank goodness for the stick to catch my pole. Or we would have lost that brand new pole that I just bought her today. Not even 7 hours ago. So that is wild. Wow. She's gonna die when she hears that one. I'm gonna go ahead and get back. Oh shit. Well, there's always gotta come. There's always gotta be an outcome to something. Give me 1 second. Let me get my hands cleaned up, and I'll show you. Always an upset. Always. Gosh darn it. So my goofy self put it in the fire. So all that means is I gotta retie up now. Come on, man. Just one thing after another. But you guys stick along with me right quick. Let me go ahead and get this other pole put out real quick, and I'll be right back with you guys. Just give me 1 second. Put you down. Check the sinkers are real quick. I think these are only like 2-ounce sinkers. Not too major. On the big catfishing rod, I think it's a 3-ounce sinker. Just trying to remember. Put that one there. I guess you guys flipped around so we can go ahead and get started on the reline. Oh yeah, just gonna show you. Here is my fly rod. I am just starting to get used to it. Not too bad. I got the green on the end. Somebody, but there's a train behind me, so we're going to be a little bit louder now. But like I said, I got this one. It's a brand new one. Just got it. Maybe like this is like out of the box. I opened it. I've had it for a while, but it's only been out of the box for a couple weeks. So got some hot dogs as well. Ballpark Franks, just in case I get hungry. I'll get another bite, but I guess not. I'll see you guys after I get done dealing with this real quick. Seen about probably like 20 minutes or so. Here we are back again, and we do have another one. Wake up. Wow. That's intense. Oh my god. You guys, this thing's so freaking big. Wow. This is just insane. Oh my goodness. This is what it's for. This is what we live for. This moment right here is what all 15 live for. If I lose this now, I wouldn't even care because I'm not happy. Oh my god, I have a chance. There you go, out to the water. You'll tire out. I ain't really worried about that one. I just do not know where he's hooked at. Too far out there for me to go get myself. So I can't he's super. Like I said, I ain't mad that he broke off, but that thing was at least this big. It was so big. Wow. What a moment to live for, to be honest with you. I don't even know what to say right now. How happy I am and excited that I even had a chance to do that right now. Oh my goodness, you guys, I don't know if you understand how my heart's going right now. Wow, that is just absolutely bonkers. Oh my goodness. I really wish someone was here helping me film. That would have been such a more amazing moment for both of us right there. But it was super amazing that you even got to spend time with me doing that. I was just thank you guys for making this even possible. Wow. Saying that, but I mean making it possible. Giving us, us four, including Dustin now, just a thrive to be able to come out here, you know. It's pretty fun. So the more videos you make, the more content that's coming out. It's just pushing us, striving us to do more. Not even just to pick stuff up, but to go fishing, letting us know, trying to explore. Like, it's crazy. I'm just blessed to be here in this moment. I just want to thank you guys as well. But unfortunately, you don't catch them all, which it's like that sometimes, and I'm not upset. Like I said, you cannot be upset over something like that. It's just a pleasure to even try, you know. It's just now time to go out there and throw it out. Maybe we can catch it on one of the stronger poles. Maybe we can get him on up in here this time. So let's go ahead and go get up out. I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Howdy, my cats. Whoops. It's been a little bit. Decided to cook up some hot dogs. I haven't really seen anything. Going on. In the last about 10-15 minutes. So I got hungry. Started making these hot dogs. I can show you how I did it. Let me get a drink of water first. A little bit of lemonade first, then water. Yep. Probably the crappiest lemonade I've ever had in my life. Grandma, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Alright. Let's get another one rocking and rolling. So I can show you guys how I get it done. This is for fish, but it's never been used. So I'm just using it for my hot dogs. You know what I'm saying? You're upside down. Boom. Do this, grab that in the end. Check the poles, check the poles, check the poles. Here, just go on. It's got some bad tendencies to want to fall out of your hand. Pretty much just find the not so hot spot so you're not burning yourself. And if you are a little younger, I would recommend you with a parent doing this. This is not safe at all. I'm just doing it because I don't have nothing with me to cook these with, so recommend parent advisory. But probably just gonna cook up a little bit. Hope we're getting one as we speak. Yeah. I don't know if we got him or not. I'm cooking hot dogs for the moment, and I'll see you guys here in about, hopefully really soon. Looks like this is gonna be the end of the video. Unfortunately, really haven't caught anything since that last big carp, but we guys cooked up 2 freaking best hot dogs I've ever eaten in my life. Really makes you forget what it's like sitting out here and just eating and fishing and having a good time in general. But if I can stay here just for a little bit longer, but I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video now. But I'll keep you tuned if we do end up catching anything. But if not, you Wildcats have a good night, good morning, or a good evening. I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Hey Mudcats, I know I said I was leaving, but hey, watch this. Boom! We got another one. Just caught it maybe 10 seconds ago. I had to call Aiden. I had to let him know. I watched it pick it up and yank. He really wanted this thing. I don't know if I'll be able to get it out, to be honest. He really wanted this thing. There we are. We got him. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Goodness gracious. Wow. What a day. Wow. Goodness. Big old boy right here. Here we go with the release as well. Walk onto the, ooh, water's cold a little bit. That's the best part right there. Watch them go away real nice and easy. No, they're not hurt. No, all good. And boom, back at it like nothing even happened. Well, if I catch anything else, I'll keep you guys informed.